Hello everybody, Fellxx here, and today I am going to be rebuilding a Rubik's Cube with my friend Paulo from school.
Hello.
And so, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so
we need a little piece that's
let's do
white.
the white pieces first. I like having no white pieces.
Found one.
I think you have all of them. There's one. Here, make sure they can see it. Keep it like in the middle right here. Uh-oh. Okay, second piece.
What?
I found this.
Green.
Wait, dang, that's not the right one. Okay. Is this? Yeah,
We need a blue white.
Okay, I got some. Do I? I have like no white pieces. Seriously, like none.
Okay.
No, that can't be white. Okay. Here. Let's put this piece in.
One more.
Here.
Here, I got it.
Okay. Okay, now I got an orange blue. I got an orange blue. Here you go.
Red and green.
You have one of them. Here's this.
Okay, that was. Okay.
Get some more pieces for you. Okay, we're almost done. This is actually a really fast video.
Yeah.
Oops.
Wait, wrong way.
Put that in the playground. This is gonna be a really fast video.
You know, I don't do this.
What?
Just get the blue, and then I put it.
Oh,
put it in.
I thought you had it. Hold on.
Oh, maybe you can do it. I'll do the honors.
Oh, come on, man. Okay, there we go. Hold on, make sure they can see it.
There.
Yay, we made a speed cube. Technically, we didn't make it, but still, it's still cool. So, that was like a really fast video. So, I don't know, should we here, let's do a solve tutorial. Quick solve. Here, not like a solve tutorial, just like a quick solve.
Want me to do some pen tapping?
If you want to. Okay.
Yeah.
Here. And go. I should like have a timer or something. Quick solve. What are you doing?
See if you can beat me.
Oh, wait, you're solving that?
Yeah.
Dude, they can't see it though. That one was already like halfway solved. I solved like most of it. Wait, do you know how to solve that again? I forgot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, this is so greasy.
Almost done. I use a beginner method, so it's not that fast. Are you done? Hey, no corner cutting, no corner cutting. This is good. Wait, no, you didn't even solve it. Wait, oh, you did. I didn't know that you could solve them. Seriously, I didn't know. Well, this is taking longer than usual. I'm almost done, people. Almost. Conde. My record is 1 minute 5 seconds, believe it or not.
Probably it's been 3 minutes already.
Did that just go in a loop? I'm going in okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, well, that made it a longer video. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, we can rebuild this. No, I'm joking. Well, I don't know. Did I even solve it? You want to rebuild a 2x2?
No.
Okay. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And, Carlo, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Goodbye, people. Humanity.